Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Auntie Angel here. Today we're going to be talking about the reservoir. We're actually going through a drought, and as you can see, take it away, cameraman. This is a beautiful Ashokan Reservoir.
Yeah, we're going through drought conditions here in Woodstock, New York. We do need rain, but right now it's not terrible. But Cooper Lake, that supplies the drinking water for Kingston, very, very low. So, praying for rain. Beautiful nevertheless.
It's like 90 degrees today, right? Very hot.